looking for the fastest, most leveraged way to capture leads for your online business, look no further than a lead magnet funnel. A lead magnet is a valuable free resource you give your audience in exchange for their contact information. And over the last few years, I have used lead magnets to generate over 75,000 leads that have turned into well over 7 figures in revenue from my online business, mostly from people I don't know and have never spoken to. Every day, I talk to online business owners who see the value in having an irresistible lead magnet for their business, but they feel stuck because they either don't know what they should offer and give away for free, or they don't know the best lead magnet to use for their specific business. If that's you, you're in the right place, so let's get into it. My name is Maylea, and I grew my online business from scratch to consistent 20K months in just 90 days. And today I run a global brand and business that's done over 7 figures in sales, and I'm here to give entrepreneurs like you the blueprint to grow your audience and automate your sales so you can build a profitable personal brand that works for you 24/7 so you don't have to. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. I put out brand new videos on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training I release. I want to welcome you back to part 2 of our 4-part social media sales automation series. In part 1, I shared my social media funnel strategy for daily sales on autopilot, and I've linked it below in case you missed it. A big part of that funnel strategy is having an irresistible lead magnet that you can use as the call to action in your content in order to capture leads directly from your social media posts. In the vast ocean of social media, attracting the right audience can be challenging. Lead magnets act as a lighthouse. They guide your ideal customers to your shore. Lead magnets offer something of value to your audience in exchange for their contact information, usually their name and email address, and they provide a glimpse of the value that you deliver, leaving your prospects hungry for more. Once you have their email address, you can nurture the relationship and convert sales through email sequences, building trust and credibility over time. Later on in the series, I'm going to share the exact strategy I use to turn leads into paying customers instantly and automatically. But if you want to skip ahead and see the exact 2 lead magnet funnels I use to go from no sales to consistent 20K months in 90 days, be sure to grab my free automated sales funnel blueprint. Inside, I'm going to show you how to create a done-in-a-weekend sales funnel that can capture daily leads and sales on autopilot using the exact steps I followed to generate $88,000 in sales my first year in business with a $17 offer. You can grab it free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/blueprint, and I will link it below for you as well. Inside this guide, you will see there are 2 main lead magnet strategies that I use in my business. The first one is just a standard lead magnet, where you offer a simple but powerful free resource and sell a low-priced digital offer on the back end. The other type of lead magnet that I use is a webinar funnel, where I provide a 60-minute free training that gives a ton of value, while selling one of my higher priced offers at the end. I teach both of these strategies in detail inside my Laptop Lifestyle Academy program, but today I want to break down some of the ideas for that very first strategy, the standard lead magnet that's perfect for growing your email list quickly and converting sales to your low priced digital offers on autopilot. I've got 9 ideas for you, so let's get into it. Number 1, ebooks or guides. Ebooks and guides are like treasure chests of knowledge waiting to be discovered by your audience. They offer an opportunity to showcase your expertise on a specific topic while addressing a pressing problem or challenge that your audience faces. To create an effective ebook or guide, begin with thorough research to understand your target audience's pain points and needs. Craft a compelling title that promises a solution to their problems, capturing their attention from the get-go. When crafting that content, organize it in a logical, easy-to-follow manner. Break down complex concepts into digestible chunks using headings and subheadings and visuals to enhance the readability. Make use of graphs and charts and illustrations to make the content more engaging and visually appealing. The design is equally important to the content. Invest in professional formatting and a visually appealing cover that represents your brand. A well-designed guide or ebook adds to the perceived value and encourages more downloads. And lastly, always ensure that your ebook delivers on its promises. Provide valuable insights, actionable tips, and relevant examples that leave your audience inspired and hungry for more of your expertise. The best lead magnets blow your reader away with the value they got for free, while leaving them wanting more and excited to take the next step. Idea number 2 is checklists and cheat sheets. Checklists and cheat sheets are simple but powerful lead magnets that offer quick solutions and valuable shortcuts to your audience's everyday challenges. To create an effective checklist or cheat sheet, identify the common pain points or frequently asked questions within your niche. Then condense those complex processes or concepts into easy to follow steps making it effortless for your audience to implement your recommendations. Design your checklist or cheat sheet in a visually appealing and user-friendly format. Use bullet points and clear headings to break down the content into bite-sized chunks. The goal is to provide instant value and actionable takeaways that your audience can put into practice immediately. As your audience benefits from your practical and time-saving resources, they will associate your brand with efficiency and expertise, making them more likely to engage further with your business. Idea number 3 is exclusive video content. Unlike a webinar, which is a whole strategy on its own that we're not covering in this video, offering exclusive video content as a freebie is a simple way to connect with your audience and give them a taste of what it's like to work with you. Video is an incredibly powerful medium that holds the potential to captivate your audience like no other. And when it comes to lead generation, offering exclusive video content can be a game changer for your business. This lead magnet idea opens up so many possibilities, enabling you to provide your audience with a personalized and immersive experience that really resonates with them and helps them get to know you. So what kind of exclusive video content should you offer? The sky's the limit, okay? There's a few ideas to get you going though. Tutorials, how-to guides, behind-the-scenes insights. You could share interviews or expert roundtables. There's so many options. I have a couple of lead magnet funnels where I actually combined this strategy with a PDF guide or template, which makes for a powerful and very impactful lead magnet. Idea number 4 is templates and swipe files. Templates and swipe files are valuable resources that save your audience time and effort. Offering ready-to-use templates or scripts or swipe files positions you as an authority in your niche that is very helpful to your audience. To create an effective template or swipe file, identify the common tasks or challenges that your audience faces regularly. Develop templates that address these pain points, allowing your audience to streamline their processes and achieve results with more efficiency. When designing your templates, ensure that they're user-friendly and customizable, considering offering templates in different formats like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and to accommodate different user preferences. Swipe files, on the other hand, provide pre-written content, such as an email template or social media copy, that your audience can use as inspiration for their own communications. These files make it easier for your audience to craft persuasive and engaging content without having to start from scratch. Idea number 5 are quizzes and assessments. These are interactive lead magnets that appeal to your audience's curiosity and a desire for self-discovery. These engaging tools not only entertain, but also provide valuable insights that resonate deeply with your prospect. To create an effective quiz or assessment, choose a topic that aligns with your business and addresses your audience interest or challenge. Craft questions that are engaging and thought-provoking and directly related to the quiz's main theme. Design your quiz to be visually appealing and user-friendly. Use eye-catching visuals, captivating headlines, clear instructions to guide your audience through the quiz. Personalization is the key to success of quizzes and assessments. You want to tailor the quiz results to provide valuable insights or recommendations based on the user's responses. And the more personalized the results, the more valuable the lead magnet will become. Idea number 6 is case studies and success stories. These are powerful lead magnets that provide real-life examples of how your products or services have transformed lives or businesses. To create compelling case studies, choose success stories that align with your target audience's aspirations and the challenges that they're going through. Present the journey, the challenges faced, and the solutions provided in a clear and compelling narrative. A good case study lead magnet will show your ideal client how to get from where they are right now to where they want to be, and it will give them actionable steps they can take immediately and leave them eager to take action further by investing with you. Idea number 7 is a resource library or a resource bundle. These are digital collections of valuable content like ebooks or templates and videos, accessible exclusively to your email subscribers. These libraries create a sense of exclusivity and encourage signups to access a wealth of knowledge. To create an enticing resource library, curate your best content that addresses different aspects of your audience's needs. Organize it into categories or sections and make it easy for users to navigate and find what they're looking for. The key with this idea is to give enough information without giving too much information. Remember, a great lead magnet will blow your reader away with the amount of value while leaving them eager to take the next step. You don't want to give them so much free content that they don't want to take another step with you. More content doesn't equal more value. Instead, if you're designing a bundle or a library, think of short, complementary resources that would allow your lead to get a quick win. Idea number 8 is how-to guides or recipes. These are great, and it is a great way to take a piece of what you teach in your larger programs and share it inside your free resource. So, for example, if you have a recipe book that offers healthy meal plans for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you could take like 5 recipes for breakfast and offer them as a free lead magnet. Another example, if you're in the fitness niche, would be to share your favorite core strengthening exercises in your lead magnet, and then offer full body workout solutions in your paid programs. Pulling out one piece of something that you teach and offering it for free is a great way to give your audience a quick win and also give them a taste of what they can expect when they invest with you. Finally, idea number 9, schedules or routines. Something I hear all the time, and you probably do too if you have an audience, is if you'll just tell me what to do, I'll do it. Sharing a schedule or a daily routine or an action plan is a great way to take your audience behind the scenes and show them that you walk the talk and show them exactly what to do. For example, 2 of my most popular freebies over the years are my social media posting plan, which shares a daily schedule of what to post on social media, and my morning routine template, which shares my personalized morning routine while helping my audience create one of their own. Okay, so now that we have our ideas, how do you go about choosing the best lead magnet for your business? The truth, you won't really know until you test it. And I know, I hate that answer too, but it's the truth. Until you create your lead magnet and get it out into the world, you'll never really know how it's going to resonate with your audience. I recently created a new lead magnet. I was so excited about it. It addressed one of the major pain points my audience has. I knew it was something they really needed. I put it out in the world with all these big expectations, and it was terrible. Like, the lowest performing lead magnet I've had in over 5 years of business. On the flip side, a few weeks later, I created another one, and I knew it'd probably perform okay to a really small portion of my audience, but I didn't expect it to do well with my audience as a whole. You can probably guess, it is outperforming every other lead magnet I have in my business, like by a landslide. So the key to creating your best lead magnet is to put yourself in your ideal client's shoes. Imagine something they really want that will address a pain point or a problem that they're experiencing, and then put it out in the world and test it to see how it goes. This is so important that inside Laptop Lifestyle Academy, we have an entire module dedicated to choosing the best lead magnet funnel for your business so that it aligns with your niche, and it's a perfect first step for ideal clients who would also be interested in buying the things you sell. Remember, the key to success lies in understanding your audience and aligning your lead magnet with your business goals. All right, that's all I got for now. Be sure to go back and watch part 1 of this series if you haven't done so already. And just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified when part 3 drops very soon. We're going to be covering 12 ways to monetize your social media presence, and it's going to be so powerful, you don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.